Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Turbo update today. On the Discord, I am giving this one amazing rising wedge pattern that you can trade for absolutely free. The name is on the Discord, and if you want to be a part of the Discord, I'm actually giving out the Discord link. Just check the comment section, click on the invitation link, and you're just in. It's just as simple as that. Now, what is Turbo up to? I want to go back into the history of Turbo, and we're going to start from the weekly time frame. And what a move, okay? What a move we've seen from Turbo. It has been exceptional, an amazing run. But now the question is, has Turbo run come to an end? Is this the end of Turbo? Is this crazy coin that we've seen for the past few months rising up coming to an end, right? It's been an unexpected coin that has moved up. But what now, okay? So we almost had like a cup and handle, and you broke above the cup and handle, went up, came up to a technical target, certain technical target, right? Now, if we shift into the daily and we start to read about the daily and how historical, this coin really is. So you move down, make a ball, come up, make a handle, just like that. And whenever you moved up, you consolidated, you went up. Actually started from here, moved up, consolidation, moved up, down, consolidation, move up, down, consolidation, move up, right? And then you move down, and then you consolidate, and then you move down like this. So I was actually expecting that we're looking at this little bit of a pattern right here that you've broken out of, and it could be time for you to actually break above and come up to this all-time high one more time. But unfortunately, due to Bitcoin circumstances, you've actually failed and you continue to go even lower. And on the 4-hour time frame, we had another pattern, and that's almost like a double bottom right here. And unfortunately, if I take the trend line, you are coming below the trend line one more time. So basically what you wanted to see is a hold like this, but you ended up faking out. So this one was a fake out, and then you start to come to the downside like that. So basically, if you have to realize what's the next technical target, then we could be looking at a visit down here one more time, and that's going to be 32047, just over there. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.